Przejdźcie umowę widomą opłatowar będąca kaucera z pomощью ani самогражданского местного нашего негрска. Боже, это ведь.
Uh-oh. Please tell me I didn't bust this thing again. Maybe it's just some kind of an upgrade. Another alien? Okay. So let's see what you can do.
Electromagnetic body. Sweet. Talking about 4 arms of fun.
But I'm gonna show you some real sumo slamming.
Cannonball style.
You know, We should give these guys a hand. 4 of them. Oh no, not you too! This is not funny. I always knew I was more mature than you. Going hero. Hero? Even if you went heat blast to melt Hex, he'd just blow you out like you were a birthday candle. Oh, yeah? No way! Yes! Oh no.
Your
Stink arms? 4 arms and stink fly's body? Give me something good.
Man, diamond head and gray matter. I'm a razor sharp foot ornament.
Heat Blast and Rip Jaws, not the best combo.
This looks like a job for...
I bought it. Hit your hives. The cold must have turned them into pus-filled pockets of...
Your putridness.
I can't help it, I'm sick.
Wait, something's weird about you.
We don't have time for you to diss me. You guys shut down the reactor. I'll take care of Bugsy. Time to turn up the heat blast around here. My cold, it froze my flames. Not much of a trap. Was I supposed to think my family tied themselves up?
Show's over, guys. Don't give me that look. If you trusted me to help, I wouldn't have been an event in the first place. Wow, I rock.
Maybe it's time I did start fighting my feet. Hey, what do you call this guy? I don't name. I don't know. Absolute zero. Boring. How about Arctic Quana? scum just can't take a hint. Since I got the Omnitrix when I was your age, I thought you should have this.
Yes! My own Omnitrix!
Run. Don't you mean we gotta run? Race ya. Not so fast.
How are you changing so fast?
Use Gray Matter's brains to hack the Omnitrix and remove the limiter. No limiter, no timing out. Instant hero switches at my command. It won't come off. That's the Omnitrix. I found it. No, I found it first. Well, it's way too big for you, Shrimp. Whoa. I'm on fire, but I don't feel like it.
Ben, this isn't funny.
To who?
Projectiles. Cool.
Oh, she's good.
So was I.
Ready to give up?
Grandpa, you gotta go upgrade.
Upgrade.
Just trust me.
Now what?
I could get used to this.
Tylko słyszałem wideo o teleskopu na kanale.